Iguanas are herbivorous lizards native to Mexico, Central America, South America, and the Caribbean. When they are young, they eat insects, but as adults, they are primarily herbivores. They can grow to be nearly as large as a human, including their tails. They are popular as pets and used to be edible in Central and South America, where they are now listed as an internationally protected species. Their intelligence is roughly that of a cat. They are quite intelligent for a reptile and can distinguish shapes and colors. They are usually solitary, but in mid to late winter they gather to breed. At this time, they become very colorful for courtship and eat very little, focusing instead on reproduction. Females can lay 60 to 80 eggs at a time. They have a large pouch at the base of their neck, which they wave to show off their power when they see a predator. Its unusually large tail acts as a thruster in the water. Like other lizards, it can also be cut off and used to escape from predators. Due to their cute appearance and gentle nature, they were once popular as pets in Korea. Nowadays, fewer people keep them than in the past due to the availability of more diverse pet reptiles.